everyone! Today we are going to make a chocolate cupcake.
How to make this cupcake is buttermilk, and how to make it is 1 cup of milk, 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar, and you'll need all-purpose flour.
You'll need cocoa powder, egg, and vegetable oil. You'll need salt, sugar, and baking powder.
First, you have to add all the dry ingredients in first. I'm going to add the flour and the sugar. First, you have to add all the dry ingredients in first. I'm going to add the flour and the sugar.
Next, I'm gonna add baking powder. Then I'm gonna put in salt. Then I'm gonna put salt. And also, you will have to add cocoa powder. Then you'll have to sift the ingredients in a bowl.
Sift it more and more.
Finish till everything is gone.
Now we're going to add all the wet ingredients. I'm going to add buttermilk.
I am going to add vegetable oil. And I am going to add an egg. Now we're going to mix all the ingredients together.
Now the cupcake batter is ready. Now we have to line our cupcake liners on the baking tray.
Now we have to put the cupcake batter in the cupcake liners.
Now preheat the oven for 350 degrees.
Bake it for 20 minutes.
Now we're going to make chocolate frosting for the cupcakes. The ingredients we'll be needing is butter, heavy cream, and salt.
Cocoa powder and sugar.
Now put all the ingredients in a bowl. I'm going to do butter first. Heavy cream. And then salt.
I'm gonna do cocoa powder. I'm gonna do sugar. Mix everything together. The cupcakes have cooled down. Now we have to put the frosting on top of the cupcakes.
Now we're going to prepare the icing into the icing bag.
Oh no, that's okay. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye. My name is Hilo Piccolo, Piccolo, Hilo, Hilo Piccolo, Piccolo, yo. My name is Hilo Piccolo, Piccolo, Hilo, Hilo Piccolo, Piccolo, yo. Name is Hilo Piccolo, Piccolo, Hilo, Hilo Piccolo, Piccolo, yo.